Hey guys, what is up? Today's video will show you how to find bold glamour filter on Instagram. Are you looking for the bold glamour filter for your Instagram? Stay tuned because this video is for you. Alright, first open Instagram on your phone and make sure that it's up to date. Next, tap on the plus sign to upload a story. From the filters, swipe left until you see search and tap on it. In the search bar, type in bold glamour. The search results will give you two options. It is up to you whether you choose glamour or bold glamour. The process is very straightforward and the same as other filters on Instagram. It's that easy. Hope the video helped. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next video.